Welcome everyone. Today is August 26, 2019. Here to give you all the news according to the charts. Real quick, we're going to give you all the update on XRP and this article right here that's talking about how XRP's sideways trading action is preparing itself for a powerful move to the upside. We're going to talk about that today on this video to see whether or not we're getting that on the price chart. Okay, if this is your first time watching our video and you appreciate the content, as always, continue to hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification as well so you become notified when we upload our videos to the YouTube platform. And if you want to have more analysis as to our expectations of what we're noticing on the price charts, come on over to our website at HueFinancial.com in order to accumulate as many Satoshis, XRP tokens, or even Ethereum. So now let's talk about it. This article right here, which is, for the most part, it has some truths in it, talking about how XRP has been very stagnant over the last couple of weeks, something that we identified in our last video for XRP. It's been suffering from a 4% price decline, bringing the price of XRP down to around 27 cents at the time of that article being written. Another thing I wanted to highlight is that XRP has been moving sideways. As you can tell right there on the right side of the price chart, it has literally just been doing that. And we have on our price chart 29 cents all the way down to around 25 cents to be resistance and support respectively. Okay, the article talks about, or it reads, that the coin attempted to break 30 cents but was rejected and fell back beneath 28 cents. You all can see right now we're trading around 27 cents as well. And another thing I wanted to highlight is that the trading volume has remained below average. You can see again on the price chart that the volume is not as heavy as what it was about the midpoint of August. Okay, preferably the 14th all the way through the 19th of August is where the volume was quite decent, and it completely fell off since then. Okay, that's about it. I will have the link of this article in the description of this video if you guys want to read more about it. But we don't focus on all of this technical jargon. We just look at a clean price chart and give you our expectations as to what we're noticing on the market. Okay. So now, right now, let's go ahead and talk about it. And you can tell here on our last time we did our video for XRP, the expectation was for this market to move higher. We had 28 cents to be resistance. Go back and check out our video, being fully transparent. And the market yesterday, well, today, came and hit that 28-cent price as a high. So if you guys were able to grab that profit off the table for XRP, very positive for that. And let's see, you would have recuperated maybe less than 1% in that. Yeah, about 1% profit in the market for XRP. Now, again, just like that article has insinuated, this currency is just holding that consolidational trading range. Okay, not a lot is going on in the market for XRP. Let's go ahead and get rid of this since it did hit our TP area. And I'm going to switch it back over to the weekly price chart real quick. And let's see how the market fared for last week. And even for last week, the market still indicated that 30 cents was a resistance point right here on our resistance line. The market in XRP couldn't break above it. Okay, so the trend in the market in XRP in the long term is still one of lower prices, or at best we're going to get consolidation of trading right amongst this resistance and support line on our chart. Okay, we're starting off this week right now not well. The market tried to move up there and it's still showing rejection at 28 cents rather than 30 cents. So again, we're making lower highs on the weekly time frame in the market for XRP. As long as that volume does not appear, we will continue to consolidate and move to the downside in XRP. I want to take a look here at the monthly price chart, and you can see over the last 3 months, including this month, we're still seeing indications of a lack of interest in higher prices. Okay, so I'm gonna switch it back over to the daily time frame. The market in XRP is still weak, but it's not that weak. I'm just still seeing consolidational trading. Yeah, so the expectation in the market for XRP is still for this coin to hold consolidational trading. Now, before I go, if you guys want to hold this line right here in the market for XRP as a gauge to it maintaining its strength, you can use this line right here that I'm drawing on my chart as your gauge to see this market in XRP continue to see higher prices. Okay, so we're going to use that here in the market for XRP. You guys can tell that it is definitely trying to continue to make higher lows into the market. Making higher lows into this coin. So we still can move a little bit lower in this space for XRP. But right now, the long-term trend at best is going to give us this consolidational trading range. Okay, so I'm still expecting the market in XRP to move to the downside. We're going to play that on a small time frame. Okay, and literally just around this particular area, we can still see some strength. Okay, and simply means that that market for XRP can find strength here and move higher. So TP for us from where we are right now will have to be around 0.268 all the way back here towards our ascending line. Okay, if we see some strength come to the market. Now the expectation is not yet seen that the market will find some strength there, but we will anticipate that to happen as we continue to trade out for today. Okay, so as of right now, this is our expectations in the market for XRP on the small time frame. This is not the long time frame, even though the weekly chart and the monthly chart are all insinuating that the weakness is still present in XRP. We're going to anticipate this market to move slightly lower in the near term, and if we get any strength right here, then I'm going to expect the market to reverse its movement from moving lower to one to moving higher. Okay, so this is our expectations. Fully transparent. The next time we give you all an update for XRP, we'll see how this market has played out for this token. Again, if you guys appreciate this video, make sure you guys go ahead and like and share the video. Give us your thoughts, your perceptions, and your comments. Leave us a comment in the comment section of this video as well. And as always, make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you on the next one.